Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce 12.3 Blu-ray touchscreen spatial header unit for Porsche Cayenne 2010 to 27 years, 17 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Here is shipping box. And this special decoder box, harness and the cables. This header unit and this camera 326 video real camera. Okay. Let me show harness it first. And you can check this Cayenne Porsche Cayenne Bose amplifier, fiber optic, and this AUX input left and right, and this 12 voltage ACC GND wire. Okay. And it comes with the special harness. You can check this Cayenne special harness adapter. And you can check this AUX input. This input right, this input left, and connector. This connect to canvas box. This canvas decoder box connected. Okay. And this USB. This radio antenna. This is 4G antenna. This GPS. GPS antenna. This original USB. And this is another USB cable. This is audio and 4G. This 4G SIM card slot. This connect our back header unit. And this audio out, left and right, front and rear. This sub out RC type, and this amplifier 12 voltage. This video out, this is CVBS input. Okay. And this for backup camera. You can check this camera input, connect our back. And this 300 view camera. You can check long cable and cameras. Their camera connects the head unit. Okay, let me show head unit. Okay, this head unit, you can check this radio antenna, GPS, and fuse, power, and those connections for audio, other cable. Okay, this Blu-ray screen, and let me connect the power and back of head unit. Okay, head unit will be start. Now you can check. Something to shoot. Okay. You can check this front head unit. Okay, this Blu-ray screen, this head unit UI, and OS are here. You can check this already built in the Google Maps and the Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. This is Z-Link 5 for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Built in the YouTube. This radio and car settings, display, sound, radar system setting. This DSP amplifier. This apps you can check OS. And that is knob volume and the built in the microphone. Okay. That's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.